Hello everyone, I'm Kannan from AITS Department of Savita Engineering College. Initialize matrices. A is the input matrix. Q will store the orthogonal vectors. Columns of Q are perpendicular and have length 1. U is an intermediate matrix used to calculate the vectors for Q. First column. Take the first column of A and store it in U. Normalize this column. Make its length 1 to get the first column of Q. Subsequent columns. For each remaining column in A, start with the column from A and store it in U. Subtract the paths that overlap with all previous columns of Q to make it perpendicular. Normalize this adjusted column to get the next column of Q. Constructing OR. Initialize OR as a zero matrix. For each entry in OR, compute the dot product between the corresponding columns of Q and A. Output. Print the matrices Q and OR. Thank you.